Welcome back, babies. It is your girl AJ, the owner of AJ Unique Creations, baby. Honey, welcome back and happy Monday. You guys, somebody coming under my last video and asked me if I could try puff vinyl. So I have worked with puff vinyl. I love puff vinyl. If you check out my website and look at the unique tees, we have puff vinyl on there. But they said, can I do puff vinyl using HTV Ront heat press, the 15x15 auto heat press? Now, I have not tried that one yet. And I told you guys, I'm going to make sure I put it to the test before you go buy it. Because we have tried sublimation slacks, sublimation, HTV, regular HTV, and also eco-solvent prints on there. So, let's try that. We also tried glitter HTV too. So, I have not tried puff vinyl on the HTV Ront auto heat press yet. So, I'm happy to try it. Now, you guys told me that and I'm looking like, okay, hold on. I don't got a design for it. Oh, y'all hear Siri? I told myself I don't have a design to do it though. But if you don't know, my son's birthday is coming up. If I'm not mistaken, probably a couple videos ago, or I probably did it on TikTok, I embroidered a t-shirt design for my son. I'm going to show you guys that right now. His birthday is next month. So I did make this shirt for his birthday. My son loves dinosaurs. So we did do an embroidery design for this shirt. So we did the applique dinosaur and applique number 3 with his name Jalen. So his birthday is coming up. Now, he has his shirt, but I haven't made nobody else's shirt. So if you do not know, I do have 2 kids. I have 2 beautiful kids. I have a boy and a girl. So if you kind of do for one, you gotta do for the other. So I sat here and I really thought, what can I do to actually do a design that also incorporate puff vinyl? Because I don't want to just make something up and I'm not going to use it, nobody going to wear it. I don't want to do that and waste material. So I said, let me go ahead and make my daughter a shirt because I have to make her a shirt too. I can't just make one child something and not the other child. So even for my daughter's birthday last year, the year before that, I made her outfit and I also made my son something too because I just cannot do that. As a mom that creates, I just feel like I can't leave the other one out. So we have his shirt already made. I don't know if I'm making me and my husband a shirt yet. I will see. I did one for us a year ago and a year before that. So I'm going to see because I have not yet fully got what I'm doing for his birthday together. But I do also have to make his party favors. So I got to figure something out real soon. But because of that, I decided we're going to do puff vinyl and we're going to make my daughter a not birthday shirt, but a sister birthday shirt to go with his birthday shirt. Now, his shirt is orange. I do not want to take away from his birthday. So I feel like everybody else's shirt should just be white or green. I'm going to go with white because I just feel like it's more cleaner. I feel like it's the birthday boy, so he always has to, you know, step above everybody. I feel like that's what every birthday, the birthday person has to be the main event of the thing. So for me, I'm going to have him do an orange shirt and we'll probably do white shirts. But so because of that, my daughter's shirt will be white. Now, I got this shirt in. She got her shirt. It just came in yesterday. So we have her shirt now. So we got her white shirt. Now, I'm thinking of doing, I don't want to put a dinosaur picture on it. I wanted to relate to it, but I don't want anything to take away from the birthday person. That's always me. I don't want nothing to take away from the birthday, you know, person of the day, if you get what I'm saying. So we're going to just do a text design for the family shirts. But only today we are doing my daughter's shirt using a puff vinyl. Now, the vinyl I be using today, you guys, I'm using heat transfer warehouse puff vinyl in their regular vinyl because we will be mixing some stuff up in here. I'm also thinking about doing like a glitter orange. I don't know. I don't want it to be plain, but I don't want it to be like plain, but I don't want it to overtake from his shirt. I don't want to do embroidery on other shirts because it's the birthday outfit. That has to be separate. Now, I do plan on making him some shorts to go with that. And I also plan on making my daughter some little skirts or whatever to match the shorts. So that's why I don't want to like do so much with the shirts either. Y'all get me? Y'all get me? I hope y'all tracking. I hope y'all get me. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the website. You may see something you like. If you do not, you may see something you like for a friend. Even if you do not purchase anything, it does help my website just by going to it, staying on there a little bit and going through the different things. Check it out. other than that, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Bye. Alright, sorry if you guys hear my kids and my dog. Now this is my vinyl wall. This is one of them. So we are doing green and orange. Now I won't puff vinyl for orange. I feel like it's going to pop out. Now if you do not know, here we go. Yes, I have it organized by the colors. Heat Transfer Warehouse have this neon puff vinyl. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, I used this before, but it's like adorable. So Heat Transfer Warehouse has this neon puff vinyl that is so pretty that we'll be using today. Now we also got green over here too. I want to do green and regular, so I don't want like a dark green or too light of a green. I feel like this green is good. Okay, so we're going to go with this green right here that we got from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I do not remember exactly what green this is because I done used it already. So we'll be using these two colors. So far we got the puff orange, that's neon, and we also have the green. Now I told you guys I want to try a little bit of glitter, so let's get this glitter out. Yeah, I got this glitter a long time ago, so I can't even tell you where I got this from. I don't know if it's going to go, so we're going to see once we cut it how it looks for the idea I got in my mind. So these are the colors we'll be using for the Sister Dinosaur shirt. Yes, we have our colors. I have no idea how this orange glitter gonna work, but we'll see. I'm gonna actually lay it on top before I press it. So again, we are using the Heat Transfer Warehouse puff vinyl. Is WalaPuff. I'm gonna call it WalaPuff. Neon orange. We also using Heat Transfer Warehouse green. I don't remember what green this is. I brought this a while ago, and I don't know what this is. Orange glitter. Probably most likely got it from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I'm gonna be honest. But let's cut everything down. Now puff is a little bit tricky when it comes down to like, oh goodness, like press, like seeing what side you gotta press it on. But if I remember, you are cutting on this side because it may not look like it, but this does have a film on it. Now we not doing something where we need a lot. So let me see, 3, 4. Yeah, we don't need too much, you guys. So we're doing a kid shirt. Alrighty. Yeah, we don't need that much. Puff is a little bit more expensive, so cut it. You want to save as much as you can of it, so cut it. Now I'm gonna leave that on there just because I also want to remember information. So if you do get this one, it does tell you 275 for 10 seconds, hot, medium pressure. This is a one press. You do not want to press this 2-3 times, just one press. Now we're gonna cut out the green. Like I said, we're doing a kid's shirt, so we don't really need so much. Yep, alrighty. Too much, don't have to measure it out because kids shirts usually you're doing about 6 for the width to determine like what's the design. But this green is also getting layered inside. Hopefully we'll see that it get layered inside. I always put my tape back on. It helps keep everything rolled up. This glitter, I'm so scared about this glitter. Now the glitter I'm gonna do extra of for the width wise. I'm a little bit scared about the glitter. I don't know, but I'm scared about the glitter. I just don't know how everything is gonna look. So we have all our pieces cut out. This is how they look. Now for the puff, it does have a matte like feel to it and a matte look to it that I do love. But these are the colors that we'll be using. All right, let me get my matte. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to put that back on my wall, organize it. So we're gonna do the puff first. Now you do this the same way you do regular vinyl, where you're gonna flip your design. So we're gonna flip it shiny side down. So that's why I say this matte side may not look like it has a film on it, but it does have one that you probably cannot see. But we're gonna do shiny side down. I believe so. We'll see, y'all. I kind of forgot. Y'all, my mat is so done with. I keep telling myself it's sticky, but it's not. So we're gonna also use some tape. When in doubt, blue tape it. Ah, I need to make that a sound. When in doubt, blue tape it. When in doubt, tape it. When in doubt, you put that blue tape on it and you tape it and you go about your day, baby. Oh my gosh, I play so much. How y'all deal with me? I feel like, I know my husband probably tired of me. I seem like I play so much. Y'all, and probably get a brand new mat. We are taping her down to the T because she won't stick on my mat. So if you always wonder why you put blue tape on there, because it won't stick anymore. And that's how she look, because my mat dirty. But let's go ahead and cut it out. Corner, you guys, it's like my fabric pile. So I'm gonna cut this just like I do regular vinyl, nothing different. Flip the design and everything mirror the design, cutting it the same way. And I'm using a force of 20, blade up 6, 2 passes. That's just me. Now, I hope I did put this the right way. I kind of forgot. And I do have a auto blade on. If you are wondering, it is a auto blade. Do not worry about the blue painter's tape, because once it cut, it does come off. So do not ever overthink, like, is this tape gonna come off? Don't overthink it. It does come off. Do not overthink. And all you gotta do is just press it down. My mat not sticky. Don't come at me about my mat. Y'all know it. If you're a real crafter, you know. That's that. You're a real crafter, you know. I'm not going to even say nothing else. That's easy.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So this is how it looks up close. Now the green sliced all the way through, so I didn't have my pressure too deep because it was regular vinyl. But it definitely looks good. I'm still scared about this glitter, but I'm gonna just go for it. I'm gonna just do it. We're just gonna do it. All right, y'all. But this is how it looks now. So let's go ahead and press it using HTV Ront. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna power this on. Now remember, I told you that Heat Transfer Warehouse, when they give you their puff vinyl, they do have a sticker on here, and these stickers tell you the temperature and time that this should be at. So it does say on here 275, 10 seconds, medium pressure, hot peel. So 275. Because of me, I always like to just I go over the time that they tell me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They say 275. I'll probably go down just a little bit extra. That's just me. So 275, I'm probably gonna do 300. I'm sorry. That's me. Don't listen to me. This is me. And 10 seconds, just because at the same time, I don't know. This heat press so well. I'ma do 12 seconds. Like I said, this is me. Not everybody has the same time. I just always do a little bit extra versus what everybody tell me. That's what I'm so comfortable with. I do that for everything. So I'm gonna let that go ahead and heat up, and when it's done, we'll be back. The heat press is set. Now I have everything ready. So actually I was wrong, you guys. I changed it to 275 to 9 seconds. So I decided just to go with the time that it says, just to be sure, because I'm glad I don't know how the pressure work with this. So we're going to follow instructions. We're not going to divot any way that I wanted to divot. We're going to follow instructions, okay? I want to divot, but you know, like I said, this is my first time using the HTV Ront auto heat press with everything. So I'm also just follow directions, because if you are new, then you'll be following directions too. So we have 275, and I did 9 seconds because I do feel like 300 probably is gonna be too much. Now, because I am doing puff vinyl, and puff vinyl cannot be pressed twice, I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can see. Puff vinyl cannot be puffed twice. So basically you are not able to press it, go back and repress it like you do regular vinyl. So that means I'm gonna do all my vinyls first, and then the puff. Oh goodness, I done used the whole thing. I don't like when it get dirty. It does just come off. So that means I'm gonna use my regular vinyl and glitter vinyl first, give it all the presses that it need before I do the puff vinyl. Puff vinyl will be last. So you should already know, lint roll your shirt first. After you lint roll, you send it in, you do that pre-press. We do have it on the auto pressure, so we're gonna do that pre-press forward, baby. So pre-press help get the moistures out your shirt. And also my ruler, y'all know my shirt ruler. So we're using the Tumbler shirt, so we're gonna use this ruler that I got from Amazon. It's the Tumbler ruler. All right, everything is pre-pressed, nice little crease up in it, nice. So we're gonna do this and line this up. First, I'm gonna kind of see where I want everything placed, and then from there, I will move everything out the way. So the glitter will go first, and then we'll do the green and the glitter. Yes, I'm just actually going with it. I'm not even double checking to make sure that the green and this glitter orange and this neon look good. I'm kind of believing that it does look good. I'm gonna make sure everything is lined up. So I'm gonna use my ruler because I am at an angle for you guys. So because of that, I want to make sure. And if you don't know how to get your center lines, just press like this. It's not gonna mess anything up because you are gonna press it. Bring that down just a little bit. I want to make sure it's some type of space for the neckline. Okay, that's good to me. And we're gonna take this off. bring it over just a little bit. All right, that's even to me. So I'm gonna give this one a press, and then I'm gonna put the green in. Everything is gonna be on up auto pressure. So 275. Usually with vinyl you're using 300, but I'm doing 275 because I'm doing 275. I will do at least about 2 presses just because we do have a low temperature on here. And I just press the green button one more time if I would like to do another press. So I'm gonna let that just sit for a minute, just because I want to make sure it did press. Because usually if you're doing vinyl, glitter vinyl, you're doing it do 300, and I'm doing 275 because I don't want to change my temperatures at the moment. So we're going to let that cool down just a little bit. And I'm going to kind of go a little bit slow. It's a little hot still. This orange is not that bad. And then I feel like it gives her a subtle like pop of the party without being the face of the party, since it's his birthday. If y'all get what I'm saying. This glitter is so pretty. Alrighty, so now let's move on to the next one. So when I did cut my green out, my green did like cut a lot. So it did cut a lot. I'm gonna bring y'all in closer. I'm gonna go ahead and place, this one goes here. I can kind of tell. Oh, I think it's actually upside down. Yeah, it looked like it might be. Yeah. Now, because the way everything is cut, I may have to get some heat transfer tape just to hold everything. So that one does not go there. Just double checking because I do have at least 2 to 3 S's, I believe. So that one don't go down. I'm gonna get some heat transfer tape just to help hold things down, because I don't want anything to like shift over in the wrong spot. So let's actually just break a piece off. Don't need that many pieces. This is heat transfer tape, the same tape that you'll use for sublimation. I'm using just to make sure I'm holding everything down. I'm gonna try to put some stuff next to each other so it can also be like one tape hold. Just because I overcut it just a tad bit. That's what I get. So the tape is just holding it down. The way that you can stop it is just if using a silhouette, just don't cut too deep. I cut too deep, that's all. Kind of left it on my glitter settings and I just cut too deep. So it's not a big deal, honestly. Definitely because this design is like, you know, an outline any which way. But just to make sure I want everything to stay where it should be at in the outline, I'm going to just put some tape on there. Because already the edge shifted where I didn't want it to go at. So, ooh, come on tape. The edge kind of shifted any which way. Alrighty, I'm actually going to do a little bit more on this U and R just because they are lifting from the bottom and the top. And even though when you press it, everything will be flat, I just want to make sure nothing shifts because I want it to be placed where it needs to be placed at. And the last one is the U. Alrighty, now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet. I'm going to place my Teflon sheet on top of this. Also flattening everything down. We have an auto press, so it's going to press and we're going to let it go. Alright, it should be getting ready to come out. Alright, so by the tape also being on here, it should be able to actually lift up the transfer tape that was on top of the green So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Sorry if y'all hear my dogs. And see if we could probably get that transfer tape up. I don't know if we can. Cause it is on the, I know it's coming up, okay. I'm gonna do a slow peel because usually you press this at what? 300, and we did not. I'm gonna use that transfer tape to hold down the puff vinyl. So just so you guys that's coming in, if you skip to this part, we are doing 275 for 9 seconds for this whole entire shirt design using HTV Ront auto heat press, and we have it on the auto setting, so it's doing this auto pressure, and we're not doing the pressure at all. She is done. Now it's time for the big baby that everybody wants to see. I'm gonna actually fold this just to make sure I get a center press. Make sure it's lined up good because it was a little bit slanted. I'm still thinking this orange glitter was not a good idea anymore. Let's see. It's this R, but I'm starting to think that's actually is the font. Yeah, I think that is the font, you guys. So I do it anymore. Now it's kind of like Cricut. All right, whatever. Yeah, I think that is the font. I think the font is a Cricut R. But me, I'm going to probably match it up just a tad bit. It's just this S that's Cricut. No, that looks so Cricut. Yeah, we're just going to actually believe it is there. It's for my daughter, so if it's like messed up, I guess it's okay, but it's gonna irritate me because that font, that mean that font. Yeah, I think that font, okay, the font just goes up. You know what, let me tape it. I'm gonna tape it and I'm gonna see because I don't know anymore. Is it just me or that's how it's supposed to look? When in doubt, just lift the shirt up. All right, it looks good to me, so I'm gonna actually say that is the way it's supposed to be. We'll see, we will see. Alrighty, y'all ready? 275 for 9 seconds, let's go. I'm scared, I'm scared. All right. Okay. I see puff. I don't know. It looks good to me. I'm gonna cut this off. It looks good to me. I think it came out good. I'm just double thinking that orange glitter was horrible. Why did we do the orange glitter? I don't like it no more. It looked good. This green is pretty. I'm double thinking though. But this is how it came out. We have the puff on here. Bring it so you guys can see it. We did 275 for 9 seconds. So I like the way it is. I don't know if that's the right way, but to me, it looks good. I'm just double thinking this orange that we did back here, but whatever. It is what it is. I like it. Probably should have got a lighter orange glitter. But this is the puff vinyl, regular vinyl, and glitter vinyl. We did 3 things in one. She came out so cute. So we are done. This is how the shirt came out. I'm just questioning it, the orange glitter that I put in here. I feel like I probably should have got like a lighter glitter, but we also did what we had on here. We didn't go out and buy anything. It's not so bad, honestly. It actually could work because it is dinosaurs. But this is the puff vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse. All the vinyl is from Heat Transfer Warehouse besides the orange glitter. I do not remember that one, but yes, this is the puff. So we do see the puff on here. So I like it. I use HTV Ront Auto Press. We did 275 for 9 seconds. It do say 275 for 10 seconds. Heat Transfer Warehouse does tell you the pressure that you need to have, medium pressure. So HTV Ront, I believe pressure is able to tell by the material. I do not know how the auto pressure works, but it came out great. So it's a sister Sworish dinosaur. Things. But this is how the shirt came out. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do like anything or you want these same exact vinyls, check out the description box because I do have a link to Heat Transfer Warehouse puff vinyl. I have not used anybody else's puff vinyl, so if you do have a brand you want me to test out, leave a link down below inside the comments or whatever, DM me and I would try ordering it. I try my best to do the videos that you guys are asking me to do, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and hit the bell because we do have the prom dress giveaway. So make sure you are following me on all social medias. Make sure you hit that bell so you do not miss that video when I'm telling you it has opened. The prom dress giveaway drawing has opened, and you can send in your money to be included inside of the drawing, and then from there I'll be talking to people that have entered to see if you are the right person for this dress. I'm still debating on the time and the date that I plan on doing it, so that's the only thing. If you did not see the dress, make sure you check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube channel because I do have it on my shorts, and I also have it on my TikTok. On TikTok you do see me sewing this whole entire dress up, but make sure you are checking out all my social media so you can be a part of it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them.